English dictation 100 words per minute. Start. Mr. Chairman, sir, honorable members have apprised this House of their valuable news regarding the Electricity Law Amendment Bill. I would like to inform this House through you about the intention of the proposed bill and the section of this bill that should have been amended. The honorable members have been drawing the attention of the House toward the great disparity between the poor and the rich during Nehru's era. Honorable members, particularly Dr. Ram Manohar Lohia, used to say in this House that the ratio of wealth between the poor and the rich should not be more than 1 in 10 in our country. Today, electricity is beyond the reach of 25% population in India. The bill seeks to make provision for privatization as a matter of fact. Everybody knows that after privatization, electricity tariff will go up. Still, lakhs and crores of people are deprived of this basic facility of electricity in our country. Electricity is out of their reach. We have not been able to erect even electricity pole for them. Mr. Chairman, sir, the Honorable Minister is not present in the House. I want to tell him that in Rajasthan the farmer have not got agricultural connections even after 13 years of their applying for a connection. Whereas industrials get electricity connection immediately after submitting application. I would like to reiterate the fact that in Rajasthan the farmers who had applied for electricity connection in the year 1986-87 have not been provided with electricity connection. So far you are talking about privatization, there is a need to prevent the system. I do not intend to talk about the hidden agenda of this government, but it clearly reflects their intention towards the poor. Mr. Chairman, sir, wherever privatization has taken place, the interest of laborers and employees have been ignored. I would like to share my experience with you, which I had about privatization. One, I stayed overnight at Bharan Rest House of Rajasthan. In the morning, a class 4th employee told me through he has been employed on a salary of rupees 600 per month for working 8 hours daily, but in fact he is made to work for 24 hours, and even then he has not got his salary. When I brought it to the notice of the district collector, then only he could get his salary. Therefore, the government will have to take care of all such.